Hi, this is the solution for question 8 of assignment 7 from Hw7, and here we look at the question first. It told us a Poisson process. It is very similar to the Poisson distribution we learned before, and the difference is that the item lambda became lambda t, so it is slightly different. And here it told us a very important property that if the intervals of different Poisson process are non-overlapping, so then the random variables are independent. It is a very important property we need to use. And here it told us that the stochastic process xt equal to n0t, then it is this. So first we look at the first sub-question A. It want us to calculate the expectation about xt. So we can directly know that the probability when the xt equal to k is like this. So we use the traditional method to calculate the expectation about xt. It's like this. We can write like this, and then we can get this one. So to calculate the summation of this one's value, we need to take the similar method that we use into this very similar question to calculate the Poisson distribution like this. We use the property that the summation of the probability equal to 1. So we get this result, and then we can calculate the derivative of each side, and we can get the result like this. And this one and this one, their only difference is that it is k minus 1, it is k. So we need to multiply lambda t at each side, at the left hand and the right hand. Then we get the summary of this equal to lambda t minus lambda t multiply the e. And so the final result about the expectation of xt equal to lambda t is and then it wants us to calculate that the rt1 t2, and it is very directly we can read this into this, and for this one we can easily those one are equal. We let here we minus xt, but we have to add this back to make the equation equal. And here we take use of important property that I said before, like this. If the interval are non-overlapping, the random variables are independent. So like this, xt1 and t2 to x1, the interval, there two interval. This interval are from 0 to t1. This interval are from t2 from t1 to t2. So they are non-overlapping, and so if we say this as a random variable, we can know that those two parts are independent. So we get the result like this, and we can directly use the result from sub-question A, and we can like this one equal to lambda t1, this one lambda t2, lambda t1, and this one it's like calculate the expectation about xt1 square. So we use a similar method to calculate the derivative of each side. We can get the result, and we we multiply lambda t at each side, we get the result like this. So this one equal to lambda t minus 1 times lambda t. So then the final result is like this. Here we should notice that this one can become a person process. It's because that T1 is bigger than T2 is greater than T1. So here is the condition that when T2 is greater than T1. So and similarly, if T1 greater than T2, then we can get this. The only difference is here. So we can know that the final result is like this.